Hello, good day. Hi, lovelies. So welcome to another weekend analysis with Rejoice Muna. And so for this week analysis, we'll start with GBPUSD. Now, remember last week I told you all that this was going to go up to our POIs. And since it went up to this POI and there was no reaction whatsoever, so we're going to be deleting this POI. Now, this POI here is so price is likely to go to meet this POI. Now, this particular POI I marked was from the 4-hour time frame, but we're going to be looking at it holistically. So we're going to be looking at it holistically. So we're going to be looking at everything here. So I'm waiting for it to get here to react whatsoever, then I would know my stand. Then I will take a short position when I see, it rejecting that zone and I get my confirmation. I would send it to the free analysis group. So I'm expecting it to drop from here up until this point. Okay, so I'm expecting it to drop from here up until this point. So this is my own analysis for GBPUSD. So let's see what it does this week. For EURUSD, since last week I told you all that it will be bullish a bit till it gets to our POI. So it hasn't gotten to any of our POI yet. Whichever it gets to and reacts to, and then I confirm, my stand, I then take a sell. So we're looking out for sells from either of these points down to the last low. Okay. Now for USDCHF, I call it USDCHF. For USDCHF, we said last week that USDCHF is the opposite of EURUSD, GBPUSD. So I told you all that it was going to drop, and it's currently dropping. And if it's dropping, GBPUSD is going up. So because GBPUSD is bullish till it gets to our POI, we are currently selling USDCHF. So I'm anticipating that USDCHF drops up until this point. I sent this on the free analysis group, 2 particular trades, the first entry and the second entry. We are still on this trade. So I'm going to wait till this trade gets to, our TP. And then we'll now watch and see what USD does, because USDCHF does, because USDCHF is actually going to be buying anytime soon after the sales are complete. So we're doing sell to buy, while we are waiting for our buy to sell. So we are waiting for price to get to our sell point in GBPUSD and EURUSD. Okay, so this is my bias for this week for GBPUSD, EURUSD, and USDCHF. Remember, you can always join our free analysis group, and you can get the TEPS course if you want to trade exactly how I trade. This one is everything step by step. And once you get the TEPS course, you get access to the Forex Made Easy course and all its bonuses. Then the TEPS course itself is where I explain my strategy from top to bottom. And I'm telling you, this is not what you are seeing anywhere. This is not regular. These were specific rules that made up this strategy, and you are going to love it. So if you want to trade the way I trade, click the link in my bio to get the TEPS course. See you all next week. Bye.